Welcome back to the channel. Now, supporters are saying that the prosecution has failed to present to the court a clear and detailed way of how a retrial can be done without violating the rights of the appellant or without it being a waste of court resources. Now, if you agree that the prosecution failed at that attempt, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me your thing. Drop a like on the video. Also, talk to me in the comment section. Tell me if you feel like Vybz Kartel has been behind the bars for way too long. There was jury misconduct. It was oversight, or a failure of oversight rather, seeing that the judge no one allowed the case to proceed. And as the Privy Council said, and also the law work, which these individuals who have been doing law, studied law for much years, and actively been lawyers, then become judges and know what them do. The Privy Council said that was enough to overturn the murder conviction. Some people said the appeal court look upon it as the same, saying that after how much years behind the bars, now they must say they want a chance to do it the right way. So much so that them even say grant Vybz Kartel and the other appellants bail till whenever the retrial is started. To which the judges say, and I point out, say, that wouldn't be a remedy for the violation where the retrial itself would have been against the appellants. Meaning, instead of granting them bail, them rights would have still been violated and would still be violated with the retrial itself. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. Now, a situation reached Rick Ross in Vancouver, and 50 Cent and Bobby Schmurda already reacted to the whole situation. I'm going to say what I go on, and they will continue the reasonation. Look and listen.
Hey guys, I just saw a very unfortunate situation that took place in Canada, and I want to say to everyone, that I hope that brother made it home safely. I hope that he now has a different perspective and a better sense of what to do and what not to do while you're out in the world. That part where the young guy went he did this little move and shit and got knocked the fuck out, right there. That does not reflect him. That reflects his camp, and he might need to go get the Dream Chasers or
Tell me one thing about the Rick Ross situation. Some people say forgot all the way over to Vancouver, and then I guess them I say the Not Like Us song a Rick Ross DJ played. Why would I play that song there? I don't know. Rick Ross is not featured on the song. Rick Ross not produced the song. Kendrick Lamar is a part of Rick Ross label. As a matter of fact, Rick Ross even make a song when Kendrick Lamar and Drake had got it way. Some people say, why Rick Ross even care so much? Even though he'd have a whole situation with, you know what I mean? Rick Ross and Drake. Never that to that level as the people they think. But hopefully we'll not see nothing more like this. No, I'm going to hear from the Prime Minister of Jamaica as him address the island as the Caribbean itself is preparing for the hurricane. May also show the footage of other Caribbean countries that the hurricane has already passed or is currently passing. Now you look and listen.
Yep, so there is some piece of sport in the gun by the wire, hanging on for dear life. Bust out on the pole. The government and them and the old house up, they start to fly out, peace fly out and go so already. Watch.
TV. On Dieu, quelqu'un vous tue. On Dieu, quelqu'un est fichu la coquette. Mon job point. Mon job. Aïe aïe aïe. Now this stuff have to learn. This stuff for you. I wish I took coconut for today. Now that is you. But see, taking the learn now, isn't it? Aye 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 aye. You cook got to be like by shoulder.
Oh my God.
Oh damn.
Jesus Christ!
Yeah. So people, all you prepare on the bottom side. This is Baltazar River, the low bridge. You can see what's going on here. The river mad. That's the most bamboo I ever see bring down. That is the most bamboo. It's already in the NADMA main chat. I'm just sharing it with you all so we could see what we're facing. I'll drive through the community and check all the vulnerable areas, and I'll give a report for our meeting tonight.
Man could have get damaged there, you know. Come on, man, boy.
Come on, build it, huh? And God put sure on. Yo, it ain't going on.
We have an impending disaster, and we have to treat it with the seriousness that it requires. We do have an established framework to treat with emergencies and disasters. So even if something were to happen without notice, there is still a kind of legal framework that we have to abide by, even with limited notice. And that framework is the Disaster Risk Management Act. And the Act is very comprehensive. It deals with almost all conceivable forms of disasters that could strike Jamaica. We use the Disaster Risk Management Act quite effectively, I believe. It gives executive powers to the government to control movement and to give other orders for the safety and protection of the citizens. So one of the things that we hope to conclude on from this briefing is whether or not, and if it is that we do use the Disaster Risk Management Act, when do we effect it? So your briefings will help to determine what the Minister of Local Government advises the government, meaning the cabinet, to do.
Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. Of course, if you're new to the channel, it's a pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. And also join the discussion in the comment section up 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Rather than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Now a quick recap. Supporters are saying that the prosecution was unable to prove how a fair trial or a retrial could be done fairly against Vybz Kartel and the other appellants. Rick Ross and a whole situation in Vancouver. 50 react, Babish murder react. The Prime Minister has addressed the Jamaican island as all Caribbean countries prepare for the hurricane passing. And of course, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.